Hello YouTube, Mortal Car Guy here, welcome back, and today I'm thinking we'll let y'all guys decide what I do with this Oldsmobile Cutlass with a 442. This is the hardtop version of this convertible. And please go watch the build video on that. It's about a month or two ago when I did it, maybe about 3. So I got two ideas. One, build it kind of like how it is on the box, but I'm not sure what paint to use it. Like go with the custom front end and all that. Or I build it like these. Make it a demolition derby car. But what's going to be different, I'm going to make it look like it's been beaten up and been in battle. Like this one. And this one. This is a Monte Carlo. And then you got this one is a Chevelle wagon. So please go watch the build videos on those. I don't have all that many views on these, but this one was about a year ago. So yeah, so basically probably what I'll be doing is I'll take the body here, like heat it up, probably like along through here, the fender and all that. Then I'll push it in, like, yeah, so like heat up here and then take something and like push it in once it, all that, do all that. So tell me what you guys think I should do with it, derby car or just a normal Oldsmobile with this kit, and then I just get this kit again to make it into a derby car. Tell me guys what y'all guys think. So please like, comment, and subscribe. Please go check out my group build video and see if you guys want to join it. So see you guys later. Bye.